Right, I just encountered a very frustrating scenario. I just uploaded this video to YouTube. The next 100X Altcoin just listed on the stock market. However, I cut out a very important part because for whatever reason, I did not realize when I uploaded it that for some reason, my computer has cut off the final 2 minutes of that video. So the start of today's Bitcoin analysis, I'm going to show you the final 2 minutes of the video that you're meant to have seen on the main channel. Basically, it's a really good bit, which is why I don't want to miss it out. So please do watch this segment, and then we're going to get straight on to today's Bitcoin analysis, Ethereum analysis, and of course, the price of my current open trades and how much profit we have and everything like that. So let's crack on.
And given that they're launching in the USA fairly soon, I expect them to start taking lumps out of the market shares of their competitors. And if that's the case, the market cap is still tiny. And this is why I've not sold a single coin. I've not sold a single coin, and here is proof. I've posted proof in my Telegram group. Again, you can join that. It's where we discuss altcoins in today's video description. But I posted proof in that consistently throughout the past few days. I'm not selling this coin. I don't want to sell this coin. I want to hold it. Because if I believe the future price of TAP is going to reach well over 100 Satoshis, which I believe it'll happen. In fact, it could even happen within the course of this week. Given the recent explosive growth, it really wouldn't surprise me to see that. And given the network of effect of thousands of people signing up to the application in just a very short period of time, why would I sell? It makes no sense to sell. Don't be silly. Because if we're about to go into another 2-year bull run in the altcoin space, with Jerome Powell about to turn back on the money printer, that don't say it won't happen, because it could well happen. But even if it doesn't happen, we don't require Jerome Powell for a little bit of a summer. But if we are to go into a long-winded bull market right now, what we could be looking at here is possibly the best investment ever on YouTube. And I include GME stock in that with deep effing value. This could be the best trade that I've ever done for sure. I feel very confident in it right now, especially given recent market growth. And on that note, guys, if you're excited about the future of TAP, slap a like on today's video. Don't forget today's like goal is at least 1,000 likes.
All right then, so starting out today's video by looking at the current price of Bitcoin, $17,438 makes me a very happy boy because we are heading back to the upside. Another thing that makes me a very happy boy is my TAP position right now. That is looking absolutely sublime. 1.6 point whatever in profit. It's great. I honestly can't complain. What an amazing trade that has been. Can't believe we pulled a gem out of the dirt in the middle of a bear market. It's fantastic. Now, back to the point of today's video, which is not TAP. That was on the main channel. If you've not seen that video, please go and watch it. I want to show you first of all my current open trades. However, for whatever reason, as you may have been able to already tell today, my computer's having a bit of a hissy fit. BYBIT doesn't load this screen. However, it does load the unrealized P&L on the assets page, which currently you can see is sitting at $19,000 of unrealized profit and loss on an account value of $31,000 in the derivative account, meaning that basically 2/3 of the account is profit. I mean, that's a little bit manipulated by me in a sense of I've pulled out a lot of liquidity that I can do. So when I'm in a significant profit on a trade like I am right now, I pull back the liquidity and just leverage the hell out of the trade. So that then in the eventuality that maybe it does wick down in the middle of the night, it doesn't matter that much to me because I've already pulled a lot of profit out of the trade, if that makes sense. I found it a really good way of keeping hold of money in these bearish times whereby things can just change overnight. But on the whole, I'm very happy right now in terms of my current open positions. I've also got this long position currently open on Ethereum on BITGET, currently $3,851. I'm very happy with that as well. Can't complain. Got some big profits on the board right now. To say we're in the middle of a bear market, you can't really tell, can you? So, first things first anyway, what we're expecting for the price of Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin's price, of course, today has had a big rally to the upside. We broke into this range that I've been discussing for a while now, saying that, look, we have a low liquidity in this range, and low liquidity means likely that we're going to get sucked towards it, so we enter into the next range. However, if we go now to the 4-hour chart and we look at the liquidity here, you can see that basically we're into no man's land. In theory, the price of Bitcoin from here should be breaking to the upside in the next couple of days or so, and we should be coming up to this level right here at approximately $18,000. It's about $500 higher than where the current price of Bitcoin sits, and it really wouldn't surprise me to see that happening because, to be honest, everything is looking very bullish now, especially TAP. TAP's looking amazing. Anyway, first things first. Not really first thing, to be honest. It's one of the many things that we're going to discuss today. You can also see the volume candles right here. We're coming right towards the top end of it. This is looking great in terms of a Bitcoin setup right now. So I don't plan on closing my current positions. I'm just going to leave them open. In fact, you know what I can do? I can open up BYBIT on my phone right here and show you my current open positions by literally just going on BYBIT. There you go. You can see my current open positions. They're all real. They're all still long, and they're all still the same positions that they were the other day. And then, of course, that nice Ethereum position at the bottom there. If we go straight to the bottom, you can see that I took $2,000 profit on that, and there's currently $8,000 left to take. You might also see that I chopped a piece of my thumb off a few months ago, and it's never grown back. That was a bit unfortunate. Don't ever use them things that you go like that with in the kitchen that cut things. They're horrible. Anyway, current price of Ethereum, $1,338. Are we going to break the upside? Well, we have a very clear level of which we need to break above, and that clear level will be this one right here, $1,345. If Ethereum starts trading above $1,345, we're going to head to the upside. But on this chart right here, we don't have our indicators loaded. So let me just load those indicators in so you can see exactly what's currently going on with Ethereum's price. So let's load in these indicators right here so you can see exactly what's going on. You can see that when we hit the bottom of the VWAP, we bounce to the upside. You can also see that we're trending towards the top end of this liquidity right here. But from my perspective, it seems likely we come down. And if I was looking for a long entry right now, I'd be looking for a long entry around this range right here. This range right here being low end $1,320. I think that we're probably going to get down to $1,320. So if I was looking for a long position, I'd be looking to place this gap right here, and I'd be looking to drop down to the downside to be longing somewhere around $1,315 to $1,320. I think is a great opportunity for a long position on the price of Ethereum right now. So that I think is very, very exciting. Anyway, moving on from that, again, this is the 30-minute chart. If we go over to the 4-hour, how is it looking on a longer term time frame? Well, let's just zoom out on this chart to give us a bit of perspective right here. And again, it's looking great. We only need to pop the top right here. And if we pop the top, then we form this W reversal pattern right here. And that W reversal pattern will break us into this range of liquidity. So we could potentially come down overnight, then tomorrow morning, break up into this empty zone of liquidity right here, taking the price of Ethereum. And again, why am I leaving my positions open right now? Because I think we're going to do this. $1,430 would be this price right here, $100 higher where the price currently sits, and I remain insanely bullish on the markets. I think the market's looking great right now. I don't know why everyone is bearish, to be honest. I think overall, they've been performing fantastically now for a couple of weeks, and I really do think that we could potentially, genuinely have bottomed, which is fantastic news. So I'm very excited for that. Anyway, and by the way, if you've not already got the TAP application, download it, link in today's video description. But essentially, the market appears to be very good right now, and I'm very happy with how everything's going. I was going to upload the video on today's channel. It's just I'm very confused because I've already lost. I lost the end of that last video. That means that now this video is properly weird. So I think what we're going to do today, guys, is say thank you very much for watching. Please drop a like on this video if you do appreciate it. I appreciate you watching it. Thank you all for tuning into the second channel. Thank you all for watching part 2, which was never meant to be part 2. And yeah, drop a like. Trying to shoot for 500 likes. We've got no chance on this video, but we can try anyway. And trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This is